Tired of Jira showing links that don't belong? Remove them in seconds. Here's how to unlink any work item cleanly. We'll open your project, find the linked issue, and remove the connection in just a few clicks. So let's start by logging into your Jira instance. You'll want to head over to your Jira site and sign in with your credentials. This part is straightforward. Just open your browser, type in your Jira URL, and log in like you normally would. I'm already logged into mine, and from the main dashboard, everything looks pretty standard. You might see your recent projects right on the homepage, or you might need to navigate from the Apps menu. Either way, we're just getting our bearings before we actually do anything. Now, from the left panel, select your project. Most Jira setups have this sidebar on the left with your recent projects listed. Go ahead and click on the one that's giving you trouble. In my case, I've got a Kanban board set up for a test project, and there are a few issues in there that have some old, incorrect links attached to them. This is where we're going to clean things up. I want you to take a moment and look at your board. Do you see any issues that seem to have connections that just don't make sense anymore? That clutter is exactly what we're going to fix. Now, find the specific issue that has the unwanted link. Click on that task to open it up. I'm clicking on this one right here. When the Issue Details panel opens on the right, you'll see all the information about that work item, the summary, the description, the status. And then you'll see a section labeled Linked Issues. That's our target. In my experience, this is where things get messy. People link issues early on, and then the requirements change, or the dependency disappears, but the link stays. So look at this list. You'll probably see a few links that are perfectly fine, and then one or two that just don't belong anymore. In the Issue Details, locate the linked item and click the X. Really straightforward. You'll see the linked issue listed with a small X icon right next to it. Just hover over that X and click it. And I want to point out something important here. Jira will show you exactly which link you're about to remove, so double check that you're clicking the X next to the right one. I've seen people accidentally remove a critical dependency because they were clicking too fast, so take that 1 second to verify. A confirmation dialog appears. Just click Remove, and that's it. The link is gone. Your issue is clean. You'll see that the linked issue has disappeared from the panel, and the dependency relationship has been removed from your board entirely. Now your project board is more accurate. You're only showing the connections that actually matter, which makes tracking real dependencies so much easier. So that's the whole process. From messy, incorrectly linked issues to a clean, accurate project board in just a few clicks. I hope this helped you clear up some of that clutter in your own project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.